Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Top Navigator, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of June 1st, 2021. First of all, let's take a look on the immediate SP 500. So right now on a holiday, so today the market still goes sideways. They still have a problem to punch through the all-time high here, but looks like the overall trend is still bullish. So the market will stay sideways here, just be a little bit, but eventually look like they will find a way to punch to the all-time high here. And look at the Nasdaq, still have a trouble at this area here. So the last couple of days, they did go sideways, so they go nowhere. So, but if they can hold on to this level, they can break through this resistance here. They will continue to put it to the higher level in next week. Okay, and the Russell 2000, they still dancing around within the triangle here. So they push it back up, hit the resistance, so they pull back down. So before they can find momentum to break through this level there. And the Dow still get to the sell zone, they still have problem to punch through it, so they pull back a little bit. Same thing like all of the four major indices, they still go sideways right now before they can clear this resistance here in order to go higher. And if you look at the crude oil still hangs to the upside. They have some problem to punch through the sell zone, but the last couple of days they gain up some momentum here. If they can clear the 68 level here, they will continue to put it to the upside again. Gold is also very bullish. We cut them right at the bottom here, and now it's still going up high. We have some resistance, minor resistance here at this level, so they pull back today, and then now they try to find a way to, if they can clear the resistance here, they will quickly get into this area there. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it also try to looking for the bottom in this level here. So they bouncing back and forward here. So if they can hold up here, and we're looking for some kind of rebound here. And the same thing like Ethereum, it also have a strong buy zone support at this level. So they put it back down, they hit right to the buy zone, they bounce back up again. So the market is looking for, so the Ethereum looking for the stabilization in this level here. But the bull is still not there yet until they can clear this one here before we can see how they are be able to put it up to the upside. Otherwise, you still just be sideways here a while before they can turn around. And if you look at the couple of sector of the SP 500, the material sector still doing well. As you can see that the steel, the gold mining, they still doing well. So a couple of stocks like EDX is still very strong. Okay, and GLD, they also very strong to the upside after the breakout there. And if you look at the financial sector, it's still extremely well. It's still hang up to the upside there. So a lot of stock in this financial sector like Goldman Sachs is still doing well. Okay, JP Morgan is also doing well. The banking is SMBK. So those stocks are still hold tight until put it up to the upside. And if you look at the energy sector, they pull back a little bit on last week because they couldn't punch to it, so they pull back. Now they look like they try to hold up here and looking for another push here. And a couple of stocks here still have potential to put it to the upside, like Apache, okay, MRO. So those stocks they looking for to put it to go higher there. And the real estate sector is doing still doing very well for the summer here. So you can see there the sector still continue to make a nice move. Every time they build up the base, they continue to put it back up. And a lot of stock in this sector like PXB still doing extremely well there after they get out from the cup with the handle there. And the FLG it also break out and then very bullish. LGIS, let's see, another one try to create a resistance and then continue to looking for higher. And the builder also doing well like Toll Brother, KB Home, they also very strong too. After the pullback support, continue to put it to the upside. This stock that have been pull up support, and continue to go up. And a lot of stuff from cyber security, it still hold on to it, right? So they go up, back down, they pull back a little bit, but the overall trend is still bullish. FDYE, YI is still strong there, and ACK, one here, they have some resistance here. Let's see if they're able to clear this resistance, or they will pull back before they can go higher. And a lot of stock right now, it's in the bottom fishing, so you can see if some of them, if you're really looking for the bottom fishing stock, a lot of stock here we can take a look. Okay, like this one is survey oncology. This one here at the for support, continue to put it high low to the upside there. And SNOW, this stock have been put it down to the low side. They gain the momentum very strong here, so they pull back here. If they can clear that area here, they have more room to grow in the future here. And AMD, semiconductor, try to turn around. So this one they have been slammed down to the bottom here. Now they're looking forward to return to the upside again. Okay, and a lot of cannabis, marijuana stock look like they try to bottom out, and this is one of the ETF cannabis. This one here they found support. Now they gain the momentum, put it up to the upside again. Another one at the ACB, that a Aurora cannabis also back out from the support with a high volume here. Okay, so I will continue to update during the middle of the week, so make sure that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel so I can notify you on the new update. If you are busy working and don't have time to do your research, you can subscribe to our premium Watchlist where I handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and target so that you can follow. So you can check it out on the show more button link below. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know on the comment. Thank you for watching. Good luck in your trading. I will see you during the week, and take care everyone.